Hi everyone, this is Sue from Zhuye Elevator Parts. We are Otis original parts supplier, and we are also rated Otis parts supplier too. And today I will show you around one of our Otis spare parts warehouse. Just follow me. Okay, the first part into our eyes is Otis drive, and here we have some Otis drive here, Otis drive, and there we also have Otis drive. We can have a close look at the part number. We have the stock for the most popular Otis drive, which is used widely in the job site, ACB3, and we also have the ACB1 and ACB2 and other. Here are also some drive, which is the ACB5, and also here is ACB4 and 7, ACB7, and some parts. This is the ACB7 and so on. And here are some in ABZ6. Yes, CD2. Those are all original drive from the Otis, which are all legal. This part is our mainboard stock. Yes. And also we can come here, and there are also some mainboard EEE15, and there's some drive here. And this part, some door operator box, some door operators and others. Here is some, Ecom Pro, Ecom others. This is also the door operator. Here, this is the door operator. This is commonly used. Okay, the other places we stock some frequently used parts like the contactor, the relay, and also others. Here are some displays, which is used by Otis. This is the display and some small accessories, and we will not introduce in details. And here I want to give you a big surprise is that we take out some of the main board, some of the rescue board, and some of the door motor here. Also the TT service tour, which is mostly consulted by their clients. The first part into our eyes is the elevator main board. Here is the elevator main board. Here is the AY5. And here are also other models, AY2 and AY3 and others. And here is the escalator main board. And you can see the part number LJ2 here. And you can see we have lots of stocks here, and once you have the inquiry, and we can send you fast. And this board NB1 here you can also see, and there are also others main board here. You can have a general look at it. We just show these two let clients see that we are very, have very enough stock to send clients very fast. And also, this is the door operator. The door operator here. This is the B11. And this is the elevator steel belt test, the parts. And here is another model, black one. And this one is widely requested by the client, and this is original version. If you want to know the difference between the original and the market version, you can contact me. This side are also the mainboard, the drive, and others. And we want to show you some parts for the sheets, and their mainboard here. This is the sheets drive mainboard, smart mainboard. This is the mainboard too. This is also the mainboard. V1.2 the version. And this is also the mainboard. Okay, today's introduction is over, and thank you for just follow us. And later on, if you have more parts to inquire, and welcome to consult. We are very happy to give you a good reply, and hope we can see you later again. Bye bye. See you next time.